Hello, it's Brian Rezny, president of Rezny Wealth Management. It's question and answer day. And I'm getting a number of questions over the last, say, month or two that a lot of the polls out there say that the U.S. consumer is kind of negative about the U.S. economy, yet the U.S. economy is actually doing well and resilient. Let me really address that. In our opinion, the reason that a lot of U.S. citizens and people around the world are more pessimistic about the economy obviously has to do with inflation being higher, but also people want more and they're really able to buy less. And in general, that's not only because inflation, but we are in a society today that has changed dramatically in 40 or 50 years. We're more that instant gratification society, and people want new cars more often. They want to go to Starbucks 4 times a week. They want their nails done. They want to go to Disney. Bottom line, folks, most people cannot afford this kind of lifestyle. They couldn't afford it 50 years ago. They can't afford it today. But people are inundated with all of these great things to do, see, and spend money on. You simply don't have the money. So what happens is people, of course, have somewhat of a negative opinion of the U.S. economy because they can't buy what they ultimately want to buy or maybe live the lifestyle that they'd like to live because they don't make enough money to do so. That's really what we see. The general U.S. economy is resilient. It has been this year. It's doing well, not great. But again, if you had 9% inflation last year and you didn't get a 9% raise, you're not keeping up with inflation. And I know that's part of the lifestyle, but ultimately people always want more and they often want what they can't have. And that often makes them pessimistic because they're not getting full fulfillment on what they feel they should get, if that makes sense. One of the things that's important in our firm is that your money grows within over and above inflation after tax. That's an important goal to have, and that's what we strive for our clients. If your investment portfolio is not making a higher return after inflation and after tax over time, again, you're losing spending power and your quality of living is going to go down, and you're going to basically spend your portfolio before maybe you really ultimately need to. These are problems that a lot of investors face. So again, as a portfolio manager, managing money for well over 30 years, one of the most important things that investors need to understand, your portfolio needs to make a return over inflation and after tax return in order to grow, to give you higher spending power over time. And remember, the average retiree that retires at 65 that's married, one of you is going to live into your 90s. That's a long-term retirement. You need to grow your money. You need to grow your income. Otherwise, inflation is going to have devastating impacts on your retirement and your net worth. If you're not a client of our firm and you want to become a client, give our office a call. We do manage larger portfolios of $1 million and greater. Go to our website, reznywealth.com, or call our office directly for a consultation if you're looking for money management services. Have a safe and profitable day.